Residences by SMDC. Did you know that this is the first condominium project of SMDC here in Pampanga? It is called Now Residences because the best time to invest is